Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Shirogorov Cannabis here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty big knife, guys. In fact, look at this. This is 9-inch long overall, 5-inch long handle, 4-inch long blade of pure smoothness. Really, really smooth. Of course, this is a Shirogorov Cannabis. It's a collaboration between Dmitry Sinkevich and Sergei Shirogorov. It's not a cheap one, and it's pretty hard to come by. It's a limited edition. This especially is for TNK. It has a micarta 3D milled scale with the matching backspacer. It's a titanium liner lock right over here. M390 blade, polished flat, flat grind, almost full belly, beautiful jimping going on. The action, guys, look at this. Yeah, do I have to say anything? I mean, yeah, this is multi-row bearings going on. The pocket clip is the weakest point of this knife, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.